Hey everybody, I'm out here at Lake Guntersville. It is the 15th of April, 2023, around 9:30ish or so in the morning. And just flying my Nano Plus. And I just wanted to show you a little bit of reveal, a little bit of this walk. I did a ground walk on this before and did a video of that. But I want to do a flying video. And I want to do this and I want to reveal something to you. So just kind of take a watch here as we fly out. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. See that dock right there? That's what I wanted to reveal to you. Let me show you here. I'll take this thing. Oops, I went the wrong way. Let's go this way. I just want to show you the whole dock, which is right there in the shot. Here, we'll go up a little bit. And we'll tilt the gimbal down just a hair. There we go. So there's a pretty decent shot of that dock. The reason I'm doing this is, one, I want to show you this area. Number two, you cannot walk on this dock. It's actually closed. It says it's closed for some repairs. It's been that way since, before I came here the last time. So it's been that way. But hang on a second. Let me snap a picture of this thing. All right, so I just took a picture of it. So I just wanted you to see this. So what my plan is today is I'm just going to fly you around a little bit, show you some of this trail here and some of the interesting things, a few interesting things around here. But while we're doing that, I'm going to try and show you this heron. See how close he'll let us get to him. What do you think of that? Let me do a 2 times here. There's a 2 times zoom that we've got him, so you can see he is a live heron. So if I just come a little bit closer, there you go. Now you got a good view of him, but that's a 2 times zoom. I'll show you. There's the 1 time zoom, so that's how far I am from him. So he's not too scared of this. So I find that a little bit funny on his part, but pretty cool too. But you can see that I'm sitting over here at the picnic table. Here I am. You can see me now. All right, and let's go ahead and see if we can get this landed. All right, so I've come to another spot further down from the pier. And this time I want to turn you around, show you the lake here. There you can see it. And I'm just going to fly you out here just a little bit, just to show you a little bit of the lake. We'll take her up a little bit. Okay, and I'm just going to turn it. Get some of the shore in. So there you can see it zipping along. Raise her up a little bit here. And now, what I want to do is we'll just slowly turn her. Don't want to make you sick. And you can see that's part of the walking track right there that you're looking at. So I want you to see that. And you can see it's right beside a road there. There's traffic. See the bank. And then we are back up this way. So now I'm going to bring this in here a little bit. Let me take it up higher. Because there, yeah, I want to give you a good view of some of the walking trail here. All right, now you're seeing well beyond me because it's right out in front of me now. So I'm going to take you down this way and show you some of this up around here. See, I'm going to bring it back out here just a little bit. Don't want to get her too close over there. Alright, so yeah, I'll be walking all through there, and you can see it looks like some boaters down there. But let me show you here. If you turn, you see that bridge? We're walking right down to the edge of that bridge. There's where we're going to wind up at before this day's over with. So I'm just going to flip her back around here. Bring her back to me. But again, you can see some of the walking trail, some nice light posts and things. Let's bring her down some. Alright, now just to show you, there I am right there. So we'll bring her over here, set her down a little bit. Let's raise the gimbal up. Alright, there's that. Then I'm going to bring her over here and land her. Kind of where I took off from, if I can. Okay, so I'm just sitting down here. I'm very close to the end, but I just wanted to show you this area. So let's do it. Let's do it this way. Let's just head on out. And we'll see, I'm at this picnic table here, and let me take this thing up a little bit. There we go. Let's head on out. We're well out over the water. And just keep taking her up a little bit here. There we go. So now you start getting a pretty good view of where I'm at. You can see amongst all these trees here. And you can see that there's some sort of a boat pier or something on the other side of the road back behind me. Alright, now let me turn you this way, and I want to show you up on this hill. Those are what I call Mcmansions. So let's go up a little bit. And there we go. You can see the Mcmansions. Here, I'll even fly back in a little bit. There you go. Let's make this 2 times. And now there you can really see the Mcmansions right there. You see all 3 of them. This thing's set up high on a hill. Well, you see birds flying around. Let me go back to 1x zoom. You can see I'm quite a ways from them. So there's that. But here, I'm just going to back out here a little bit. Try to move away from some of these birds. And just show you some of the track and the road. Man, what is up with the birds? Okay, now you can see how big this lake is here, okay? But here, I think I'm going to fly back towards myself because these birds are just insane. Bring it down a little bit. I am being accosted. What is wrong with these birds? All right. Oh man. You see what I put up with? Oh boy, they're crazy. All right, I'll tell you what, let me set this up for something else here. Okay, so now we're doing a quick shot here of a flyaway or a drone or whatever you want to call it. So the birds seem to be gone for now. I hope they don't come back, but I now see another one. I say that. But this will just give you a little bit more of the area where I'm at, and then we're just going to bring her back and shut her down. I'm going to take you down here to the end. Alright, so I'm out here at the very, very end of this thing. And you can see a part of it. In fact, you can see the paved part behind me. Let me raise this up a little bit. I'll take the gimbal down a little bit. So there you can definitely see it. Right there. I'm going to show you a couple of boaters here. And you can see them right there. And then what I'm really going to show you is right here I'm at the edge and you can see the bridge here. So what I'm going to do is we'll go like this. I'm going to raise this up. There we go. And now we're just going to fly. And as I go, I'll lift it up. You can see the traffic on this bridge. I'm way out over the water. And you can see the traffic's just constantly going. Come up a little bit more so that we don't lose them. Alright, so now you got a pretty good view. And we'll just keep on going up. And there's a nice view. I'm just going to keep on going up a little bit more. And you can see how that goes way beyond there. And see how far that water and everything goes. But you can definitely see the other end of the bridge down there. I've never been across this bridge, so I'm seeing stuff that I've never seen. Just so that you know. Don't see any birds flying around me, so that's a good thing. Alright, so we'll just take a pause here. I'll spin it a little bit. We'll just look at some of this bridge here. And some of the traffic as it goes by. And you can see the light goes right on that away too. There's a semi. That bird. And I'm way back there. So the birds have been trailing me. Alright, let's fly back and see if we can get away from these birds. I cannot believe how crazy they are. But crazy is just one word. Here, I'm going to drop this a little bit. There's a boat flying across the water. Yeah, you see them there. I cannot believe these birds. They are driving me nuts. Alright. So you can see some of my boaters down here and some of the birds. I'm going to drop this thing some more. They absolutely will not leave me alone. Come on, guys, get away. Alright, I'm finally moving again. The birds are coming so close, they're stopping me from moving. I don't really want my obstacle avoidance to go off because maybe it'll scare some of them out of my way. There, now we're pointing right more towards me. Then we're going to drop down some more here. Alright. Now, we'll take a look out at the lake here. Here, let's see. I still got some battery life. Let me do this way, okay? I'll fly you down the trail a little bit. I'll just show you some of the trail, what it looks like. Well, I can't seem to keep it straight. These birds are these birds are driving me crazy. All right, let's see. If I hit return to home, let's see what we do. I've just been flying it back home, but I'm just going to return to home. And we'll see if I can get these birds to leave me alone. All right, spin them back towards me. All right, here I am up there. I'm gonna stand back so I can be out of the sun. All right, it's overhead. Here, I'll drop the gimbal straight down just so that we can see. There's me down there. Looks like she's coming down good, and the birds are still bothering me. I don't like these birds. I don't like these birds at all. All right, yeah, it looks like it's going to do very well. Pretty close to the area that I took off from, so. I'm going to raise the gimbal back up. There we go, and touchdown. All right, so this may be the final shot of the day. I don't know, I'll see. You'll see me sitting on this bench here. I'm gonna set this up for a flick, so hang on. All right, there goes the fadeaway, as they call it here. And you can see a little bit of my surroundings. See, it's nice and treed, and even though I'm sitting out in the... All right, now what I'll do here, let's see, I'll just turn this around and just show you kind of where I'm at. That you can see right over there is the pier, the dock, you know, that I shot when I started this whole video out, in fact. So take it up a little bit and we'll get a shot of these. And there you go. So you know where we're at. So now we'll just bring this thing backwards here. All right, now I think I'll turn it around. We'll fly back over here towards me. All right, here we go. Now we'll bring her back in here. Here, let's turn it back a little more towards me. There's some ducks down there in the water. All right, let's bring her up here. And we're going to land her here. We're going to call it a video. All right, hope you liked this one. Hope it was good.